Today we're gonna change the cabin air filter on a 2023 Hyundai Sonata. It's gonna be located behind your glove box. So we're gonna need to lower this door, disconnect the damper here by pulling on it. And you have glove box stoppers on each side here that we're gonna need to push the glove box in, pull down on the glove box a little bit. Same thing on this side here. Work the glove box down like that. Cabin air filter is located in this compartment here. Notice the door says up on it like this. Press and squeeze these tabs, pull towards you, and you can pull the door off. It might be kind of tricky because this plastic is actually in the way right here. So just be careful not to break the door. Essentially on the left side it uses this insert. Okay. You need to go into this slot right here. You already see this one's pretty dirty. Notice it says airflow. Most of your aftermarket filters, and this is a factory filter actually, this one's super dirty, have an airflow direction marked on them. Here's our new filter here. Turn it around. Airflow. So I'm going to flip this guy over. Put this guy in here, okay? Now if you need a filter, I'm going to have a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up if you need one. Put it in here like that. The left side in first, which is kind of tricky. Get it up in there. This glove box is totally in the way. It's gonna take two hands for me to do this one. Put that phone down for a minute. Yeah, so I just had to use another finger and just put it on the other end of this and hold it in there. You got it to go up and around. Okay, so I just had to put my finger like right here and snap it in there. Just close this up. Okay. And then snap this back on when you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another Hyundai video. Oof.